Danke bafethu. So uThemba Mshishizwane laphana ukhulume ngendaba yokuthi bekhuluma no-coach after u-coach mefika laphana ukuthi u-expect-eni kuye. Sikhumbule ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns noThemba Zwane bake awama ama-contract negotiations wakhona, kwathiwa uThemba Zwane kumele a-recover from i-injury and then kuzobonakala ukuthi bayam-renew i-contract yakhe. Sikhumbule phela u-coach omusha mefika ufika ney'nto zakhe yabo, ukuthi wena you are one of the most trusted guys ethimini akangeni lezo, so ufika ney'nto zakhe nemithetho yakhe yabo. So nawa amagama kaThemba Zwane about u-coach, uthi yena be-positive njalo, u-coach mefika bekazama nje uku-understand ukuthi u-coach ufunani kuye nanokuthi u-expect-eni kuye because uthi baba ne-chat ngempela bayakhuluma u-coach mefika yabo. Uthi u-coach wathi kuye asilinde ukuthi wena ubuye yabo, kusho ukuthi la uchaza nge-injury yakhe ukuthi they had to wait ukuthi uThemba Zwane a-recover abuye and then bazo-decide from lapho, ngoba uThemba Zwane they only renewed i-contract yakhe after ukubuya kwi-injury. Kusho ukuthi mabeqeda ukumbona ku-training u-coach washo ukuthi hhayi sesingayi-renew-ke i-contract yalo muntu lo, befuna ukumbona just before be-decide ukuthi uyahamba noma uyahlala laphana as i-player leMamelodi Sundowns cause ya njengoba bengishilo ukuthi ama-negotiations wama and then u-coach wambona uThemba Zwane meqeda ukubuya kwi-injury, kula ba-renew-a khona i-contract kaThemba Mshishizwane yabo. So mekhuluma laphana uthi uThemba Zwane-ke yena walinda, kusho ukuthi kwalindwa ukuthi abuye kula wa-decide khona u-coach ukuthi u-comfortable nanokuthi uThemba Zwane adlale yabo. Uthi uThemba Zwane for yena ukuthi kube ne-understanding from yena no-coach ukuthi u-coach ufunani yabo, ukuthi uthi umsebenzi wakhe yena kwakuwukuthi abuye abe strong nanokuthi azame ngempela ukulwela iposition yakhe laphana ethimini. Sikhumbule ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns ya-add-a o-Adams laphana esiswini, so it was not gonna be easy for uThemba Zwane ukuthi avele abuye ethimini yabo, cause i-strong kakhulu i-midfield yalapha kuMamelodi Sundowns cause they keep signing nje ama-player every transfer window, i-chance abayitholayo ba-add ama-player. But I think u-coach Cardoso wabona ukuthi uThemba Zwane u-creative nanokuthi u-add-a ispark ethimini yamaMamelodi Sundowns yabo. Ukungabi khona kwaThemba Zwane, he was dearly missed because there's something about umlingo kaThemba Zwane melibambile ibhola. Asiqhubeke ngoThemba Zwane-ke ama-questions wakhe amanye yabo. Uthi mayebuzwa nge-retirement nanokuthi phela uzo-retire nini, uthe yena to be honest asikho isikhathi asisethile ngempela ukuthi uzo-retire nini. Uthi as long as nje asafila ngathi u-fresh nanokuthi usase-fit usazoqhubeka futhi adlale because usafuna ukuwina kakhulu yabo. Uthi usafuna noku-represent iBafana Bafana, but ukuthi loko if ufuna uku-achieve kumele aziphushe ngempela yena individually as a-player, asethe ama-goals wakhe nanokuthi aphushe ngempela, asebenze ngokuzikhandla, asebenze kanzima. But ya uSithemba Zwane iminyaka yona vele ihambile siyayibona sonke, but-ke siyazi ukuthi uThemba Zwane u-strong kakhulu nanokuthi u-ofarani ethimini yabo, sonke siyakwazi lokho ukuthi is one of the most talented guys e-South Africa. Njengoba simbona ukuthi uThemba Zwane vele sekhulile, iminyaka iyahamba but still kuBafana Bafana meyithola ithuba lokudlala laphana uya-contribute. Just before i-injury yakhe be-contribute-a kakhulu laphana ku-national team and one of the favourite ka-Hugo Broos. So bona ukuthi uThemba Zwane uzogijima after isikhathi esingakanani laphana ku-Top Flight Football nanokuthi cause bamnika i-contract, i-one year contract yabo, after le contract bazoyi-renew-a na enye to the new season. Let's wait and see ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izodicayidani. Danko bafowethu.